This video we're going to show you how to remove the radio navigation touchscreen from a 2016 Jeep Patriot. The tools that you need is this yellow dashboard removal tool and just a regular Phillips screwdriver. The removal is very simple. You just pop out the bezel around the radio, the AC control. It comes as one piece with the AC control unit. It doesn't have any screws, it's just a clips which holds it in, and it only has one plug. It needs to be disconnected, and these are the location of the clips on the side, so you know where to apply the pressure to remove the bezel. And once you get the bezel out, you'll be able to see the four Phillips screws, two on the driver's side and then two on the passenger side. Once you get those fours out, and then you can remove the radio navigation unit. And these are the connectors in the back, which you need just to push the clip and just remove them, and that's it. And if you need any repair for the touch screen, radio, CD player, or the navigation, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.